Bhavna ma'am says, I am having lymphedema after cancer treatment. Can this be cured?
Edema means swelling somewhere. So, what is cancer? A particular tissue swells up, it becomes more. So there is a factor in the body. शरीर में एक factor है. The factor is called as vyana vayu. Now, if vyana vayu becomes disturbed, only then there will be any kind of lump or swelling. So already the vyana vayu is disturbed. Now, after the treatment, edema happens in certain other places, and slowly this edema will take over the shape of another lump. So, can your chemotherapy guarantee non-recurrence, that cancer has completely become fine? No. It will relapse. It will relapse because the Vyana factor is anyway weak, and there are certain other factors which have got in imbalance. So, what is the way to go forward? The way forward is correct those functional factors of your body. आपके शरीर में जो चीज खराब हो गई है उसको आप ठीक नहीं करेंगे तो solution नहीं है. So who digests your food? आपका भोजन कौन digest करता है? It's your body's ability. वो आपके शरीर की ability है. Who even will be able to handle medicine? It is your body's strength only. After a certain period of time, medicine, any kind of medicine won't work because your body is not able to utilize it. So even medicine is utilized by your body according to your body's various factors and strength. Whatever you eat gets utilized by your body by various factors and strengths. So where are we working? We are working here on this. So any kind of edema you'll see, Kumbhak will be easily be able to take care of. As I said, there is a Vyana practice in the module itself, the Kumbhak therapy. There are 3 things we teach in Kumbhak therapy. The third thing is Vyana Kriya Kumbhak. So that your structure, Vyana addresses the structure, the distribution of forces. So the moment Vyana becomes strong in your body, you'll see the edema will anyway go. Not only edema, if you have excess of any tissue anywhere, deposition, internal deposition, those things will go.
Okay, the next question is, I am suffering from fibromyalgia for the past 10 years. I would like to hear from Swamiji. Chandran Ponan.
Fibromyalgia, that means the muscle fibers are not able to function well and they have some deformity. Either they have dried up, they don't have the kind of tensile strength, it doesn't stretch, so you get stiffness, and it doesn't grow, so you get some kind of a shrunken areas. So fibromyalgia, muscle issue. Now I'll give you one example. We have seen many people with a neuromuscular disorder. For example, paralysis. Neuromuscular disorder. One side of the body gets paralyzed and it becomes almost like shrunken. There is a muscle issue also associated with it. They revive more than 95% of sensations in that area. How does this happen? Because only if your body is able to regenerate. If your body has weak regenerative factors, and I've described all those factors, 8 different levels of body. Ashta Sharira. One of the factors is regeneration. And you can easily do regeneration. Talking about a disease doesn't create a solution. That's why I'm saying, okay, let's do an experiment and see if it can do a solution or not. You ultimately want a solution, don't want more technical words. है ना, आपको ज्यादा टेक्निकल वर्ड और चाहिए क्या? वैसे ही गूगल भरा पड़ा है. You want a solution, isn't it? So I'll tell you to do a little experiment. एक experiment कीजिए. 2 liter water bottle और कोला बॉटल, आपके घर में जो भी सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक बॉटल होगा ना, 2 लीटर का, pick up in your right hand, lift it up like a dumbbell 100 times every day. After 2 weeks, what will you see? क्या आपको देखने को मिलेगा? Your right hand has generated a little more muscle. Regeneration करवा दिया आपने. Regeneration लेकिन कैसे करवाया? How did you do the regeneration? So how did you do lift the weight? Weight को कैसे lift किया? आप देखेंगे, you held your breath and lift the weight. आप सांस को रोकते हैं जब weight उठाते हैं. Without holding your breath, you cannot lift any weight. So how did you lift weight? By holding your breath. By holding your breath, you regenerated something. You directed your force towards a particular area due to a weight towards the right hand, and the right hand developed few more muscles. Very simply, there is a regenerative factor of the body. You just need to trigger it a little. How do you trigger it? By holding your breath and directing it towards a certain area. For example, if you do a little pattern, like you inhale 1 unit, hold 1 unit, exhale 4 unit, exhale 4 unit, your liver will start regenerating. If you inhale 4 unit, hold 2 unit, exhale 1 unit, your kidneys, it will impact your kidneys. So this is how we can create an impact on certain organs of the body, which has become weak. Behind that weakness, there is a certain factor because of which those organs became weak. We actually find out those factors and then design or customize your kumbha so that we can strengthen those factors. So not only that problem, but any kind of associated problem you'll be able to come out of. Myalgia किसी भी तरीके का, even neuromyalgia or neurodegeneration, these kind of things can be handled provided you work towards that specifically.